Circular marks on the patio where pots have been on the ground. How do you get the stuff off? I've used regular cleaner, I've used hypo, hasn't done it. Need help, figure it out, let me know, comment. Bah. So this is a patio I laid a few years ago before my ankle operation. It needs a good bloody clean and a seal. So regarding sealing patios, you shouldn't seal them straight away. You should at least wait apparently between 6 to 12 months for any possible salt to come out before you can seal it. As you can see, after about 2 years, it's got quite messy. I did ask the customer to get some of these caddies to help move them around, and would be preferable in the future. Well, move stuff around, then all becomes easy. Right, well that's today's task, is to clean this lot. Well, this bit was easy enough, mostly because it's slate. And when it's slate, it's got that polished surface, which makes it a little bit harder for the algae and the crap to go into. But this side is different. This side's Towngate Indian sandstone, much more porous, a little bit more effort.
I must admit, I find this oddly satisfying. I could even do this for business.
We make it hot, we make it crazy. We stop the clock, check the payments, hit the spot, please be patient. We make it hot, we make it crazy.
So where are we on this patio? So we cleaned the majority up, and we have some heavy stains of the pots as described earlier, and then we got a load of rust and stuff on here. So what have I got to sort it? I'll show you. Extreme patio cleaner. Customer bought it, customer said it's good, did a bit of googling on it, so we'll have a go at that. It does say ratios. Don't dilute it for heavily stained areas, which I guess they're the heavily stained areas, the circles, because it's had a pressure washing off on it and it didn't come off. So, and I got myself probably the best mask I've ever had the pleasure of sticking on my head. I feel like bloody Darth Vader. Check me out wearing proper respiration stuff. When it does say stuff like that, yeah, definitely be careful, people. Right, this seems to be a good little area to start on. There are deeper patches, but I've got a ring there, and some black mould here, and some mould along the wall. So I got to lightly wet the surface. I have started on the heavier bits, but nothing really much happened yet. So let's spray it all. Right, that's lightly dusted with water anyway. So let's mask it up. That ain't working, is it? Probably because it's fucking upside down. Face ID didn't work. I wonder why. Right. Hey Siri, set timer 2 hours. No. Hey Siri, set timer 3 hours.
3 hours counting down.
Counting down. Shake your head when you hear it. I love it. Right, later. Mid-video interlude. Right, quickly got to say, I'm thinking about doing a membership page for the DIYers where I can help them a bit more and I can concentrate my efforts to them. Do you want to see that? Is that a good idea? And also, I'm thinking about doing some merch. Testicles, hats, t-shirts, and mugs. What do you reckon? Shall I or shall I not? Let me know. I must admit, I do think that bit's looking a bit better. Then we got this section over here. We're gonna get some Rust X coming today, actually, for that. And then we got this section here. So yeah, usual thing, lightly spray it with water first. And then put this stuff on neat. And here's the last bit. So fingers crossed, this does get a bit cleaner. Time will tell. Right, back on the cleaning job today. Check these caddies out. They're going to help so much more in the future. Just shifting around and not having these stains, not having these circles, which we're going to try deal with today. So, I've got new tripods, check it out. And we got the Rust X. We're going to get the Rust X on that lot. Some new cleaner. Let me show you the new cleaner. Sodium hypochloride, 10 to 15%. Justin from Brick Right mentioned this to me because I have been having trouble getting this stuff off, so we're going to use the hardcore stuff and we'll do a good little review on it. So what have we got left to clean? We did struggle with these circles, so we got those by there. We've got a couple bits here, faint outline over there, and then we've got some round here. So we're going to stick it on and face it downwards. That's been on for 15 minutes so far. Hasn't really done much. Same over there. So we're just going to up it a bit more now and chuck some more in and less water. Right, screw this. Let's make it neat. So this was the third application. Still thick. Still not coming off. Still not coming off, is it? I thought this stuff was the mother of all cleaners. Well, don't know. Well, I'm going to hose everything off now. Hose everything off and try again. Well, I've done 5 coats of the stuff now. And you can still see the rings over here as well. What do I do? Right, well, I've had a guts full of this now. 6 times I put it on, 6 times I've washed it off. And you can see nothing but circles. Put it on, wipe it off, put it on, wipe it off. And absolutely nothing. I don't even think there's any point in wasting any more time. I've done it enough now. Starting to get a bit fed up with it. But you know, doing what I'm supposed to. Still not bloody working. Right, it's been long enough. It's time to seal. Let's get the sprayer out. Patio's all been sealed. What do you think? Do you think it looks patchy? Customer says it looks patchy. I kind of think it looks patchy, but we got one big problem. This company, Smart Seal, it says here, colour enhancer, stone sealer, sandstone, limestone, granite, terracotta, travertine and slate, but apparently not for grey. So there's anybody out there about to seal your patio, you've got a stone patio and it's candor grey, and you see that stuff, Smart Seal, says on the bottle, you can use it for sandstone. Apparently you can't. It won't work. You have to use a different type. So for anybody just about to go out and do some purchasing, stop, think about it, check a little bit more, because you might need a different product. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe. See you all soon.